how to make Word document in mobile. So if you want to make a Word document in mobile, then the first thing you need to do is have an internet connection. Once you have an internet connection, you just need to search for your Play Store. Once you've searched, you need to search for Word. Once you've searched, here you will have the Microsoft Word. Once you have the Word, you just need to go for install and install the application. So make sure to install and download the application on your device. And once you've downloaded, you just need to go for open. So tap on the open option and it will open up your Word, right? So make sure to log into your account, and once you've logged into your Microsoft account, you just need to go for the plus option, which is on the upper right. So tap on the plus, which is on the upper right. Once you tap on a plus, here you will have create new document. So you can choose a blank document, or you can also choose the documents which are available right here. So I'll be choosing a document. Simply start writing on your document. So that's how you can make a Word document, and you can simply go for the tick which is on the upper left, and you can save that document. So that's it. That's how you can make a Word document in your mobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.